Topic for today is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned at several places in the Quran about taqwa. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu taqullaha. Oh, you who believe, fear Allah. So many places Allah mentioned about taqwa. And our intention to do all good is for the sake of Allah, to please Allah. And our intention not to do the evil for not to displease Allah. Because we don't like Allah displeased with us. Displeased meaning is unhappy. We don't like Allah be unhappy with us, okay? We want Allah to happy with us, and we don't want Allah to be unhappy with us. And why we don't want to Allah not to displeased with us? Because we fear Allah. So we do all good for the pleasure of Allah, and we don't do all the evil because of fear of Allah. That is the key of the success. Okay. When Prophet Yusuf's story we studied, reading the end of the story, Prophet Yusuf said, "Wamayattaqi wa yasbir." That a person who is muttaqi, fearing Allah, to avoiding the evil, and wayasbir, and who is patient, then he is going to be successful. He is going to be successful. When you are fearing Allah, then your relation with Allah is very good, because Allah loves you too much because you fear Allah. And if you are patient, Allah loves you, and even people will not be fight with you anymore because you are patient person. The person who is not patient always fight with other people, and Allah doesn't want us to fight people, but to be always patient and make sabr. So our topic for today is we need to fear Allah, and because of the fear of Allah, we don't do evil. If a person doesn't do evil because he fear government, he fear police, he fear some other people, he fear the people, the parents or people who are above him, he afraid with them and he's not doing it. But if they are not around, then he want to do evil. A person will not do the stealing because he afraid, he fear police. The police will put him in jail. What is the fear of Allah? The person should not steal because of fear of Allah. That Allah will punish me. Allah is angry with this. Person is doing avoiding the haram, or avoiding the evil because of the system, or because of the people, or because of the law of the people, or because of the people, or because of the elders. So where is Allah? So it means they are not watching him. He is not under them. Then he can do anything. So he has no fear of Allah, and all his avoiding the evil is useless because he is not avoiding for Allah. So regardless of people or the system allows you or not, you will not do evil. Like our lawyer, he has no control from the government that he can save the criminals. And because he has no fear of Allah, so he avail the law of the people and he saved the criminals, even though he knows they are criminals. But if you fear Allah and the criminal comes, so get out. Even you give me millions of dollars, I don't like to save you because you told me you are a criminal. How I will? Why should I protect the criminal? He will never get the case of the criminal because he knows that he's a criminal. But in the case of the laws of the world, they allow to say protect the criminals. But for Islam, doesn't allow you. As long as you know he is a criminal, you cannot protect him. And in the law of the people, the lawyers are allowed to punish the criminals through his techniques. So he will make arguments with the judge and he let innocent to be punished. Even though he knows he is innocent, but he will not mind because law allows him. But if he believes in Allah, he fear Allah, he will not do this to punish the innocent and to free the criminal. So in business also, if you fear people or the system or the law of the people, then you will see as long as they can catch you, you're afraid and you will not do the evil. But they're not around and not watching you, then you can cheat people or do bad things because you have no fear of Allah. But if you have no fear of Allah, you don't mind people or system or law of the people, but you mind the law of the command of Allah, the law of Allah, that Allah is not allowing you to cheat in the business. So all your aspect, you have to put the fear, not to do evil because of the fear of Allah, and because of the love of Allah, to please Allah, we do all the good. Okay, that is the important intention. Yesterday, we do all good to please Allah, for the love of Allah, and today's lesson is, we should not do evil because we fear Allah. Okay, so one of the good example is the lawyer. They don't fear Allah, so they save the criminals and they punish the innocent. And the law allow them. The law of the man allow them, but the law of Allah, no. You cannot save the criminals and you cannot punish the innocent. If you do this, Allah will punish you, and if you fear Allah, you will not do it. And there are many examples like this. May Allah guide us. Ameen. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment.